All right, so we want to expand the inventory. It doesn't matter what they call in on. We're not going to lie to anybody. What are we selling over the phone though? What are we selling? And I can say whatever I want as long as I don't what? Good, write that down. What's the majority of the population going to say? All you know is what? You don't know, okay? Would you have told me to walk up to her or would you be like, nah, don't even try, bro? So you'd be shocked what people actually take. So there's a 40% chance that I have a what? There's a 40% chance it doesn't matter whether I have the car anyways. All right, so, yeah, Kyle, but you don't understand. No one tells me I'm wrong more than you guys, okay? No one tells me I'm wrong more than this room. Nobody tells me I'm right more than who? The customer. So, let's write this down, please. Compliment the buyer's choice. Whether you have the car or you don't have the car, just compliment the buyer's choice. What's a vehicle that you know we don't have? Yell it out, whatever it is. So what year? You're calling because you're looking for a 2023. Wow, what a great choice. You definitely called the I love the. Let me do this. Let me check on that Tesla for you. It's not going to take me long at all. 2023 Tesla, I'll check on that for you. And while I'm checking on that, I can also do what? Check on other stuff like it too. You looking for just something nice in that price range that's a sports car? Well, I really like the Tesla because I think they're doing tax credits. All you know is that you what? You don't know. Quit assuming that you got the person that's like, salesperson or order taker. What do you want to be? And then next, write this down, please. Engage the what? Engage the trade-in.